Welcome to the Sector Spin with Terry. In this video series, I share with you what I'm watching each week in the various sector industry subgroups. This week I'm going to take a look at stocks in the internet industry subgroup of the communications sector. I picked this particular group because of this recent northerly hook formation, which indicates rising momentum has returned to this group, and also because of its stronger relative strength position. Here are the 5 industry groups that make up the XLC communications sector. We got media agencies, broadcasting and entertainment. Here's the internet index, mobile telecommunications, and fixed line communications. Now, you can see here that this is the only group in this particular sector that's currently got a northerly vector playing out. If we look inside this internet group, this is quite a large group of stocks, contains many in all 4 quadrants. And one of the things I want to do is filter these stocks down to those that are moving in a northerly heading. You can see quite a bit of uprush here, but you've also got some downtrending stocks. So let's do a little bit of a filtering. Let's narrow our list down. I've gone through and selected out the ones that were heading south and left our northerly vectors here. Now this means those for which momentum is rising and investor interest is increasing. Now, I'll filter this list a little bit further to get those that are going with northeasterly headings. I'm going to look for those that are kind of pushing between 10 and 80 degrees. So narrow the list down a little bit further. I got a much nicer list to work from now, not so many stocks that can overwhelm us as we're trying to do technical analysis. So let's apply some further price technical analysis to start to plan our trades. So I'm going to change over to a little format here, and that gives me the list of those stocks that I just filtered. Here's the RRG, and then here's a recent stock price. Now, it's no surprise that Google, with its blowout earnings report this week, is leading this group. This percent change I've got sorted in descending order. This is for the week-to-date price action. And we can see here that Google has gapped up here on its earnings recently, and I think it's got higher to go here. Now, Twitter has recaptured its prior high. You know, after it went through a significant decline in investor interest when it put a block on President Trump's account. It has since rebounded. Now here is this symbol here. This is the DJUSNS. This is the symbol for this internet group itself. And you can see that it has gapped up to new all-time highs here. So I'll just stretch this out a bit, and you can see where we've been. V-shaped recovery, and been on a run ever since. We had another pretty sharp recovery in September in this particular group. We're on another bull run here in this particular group here. Let's flip on down and take a look at Netflix. I think Netflix is setting up for a possible break to the upside following its period of consolidation since making new highs last July. And so on down the list here. Find something that looks interesting to me. Here is ATVI. Now, ATVI, I've got somewhat of a bullish wave count going on here, and looking for completion here of a wave 4. Possibly we are in a new impulsive move or a new motive move up in wave 5. I think similarly to that, let's scroll on down the list here. Here's Akamai and NetEase. I think I've got some wave counts here. There we go on NetEase. NetEase looks impressive here, though I'm not sure that wave 4 has completed yet. So I've just got some placeholders here, but I certainly see a nice uptrend forming here, and I think there is more upside potential to be in the works for this. Guys, having a powerful tool such as Optima to help us drill into the details of these sectors and the sector subgroups gives us a key advantage and an ability to be more selective in the stocks which we choose to trade and or add to our portfolio. Good luck in your trading ventures. Be sure to check us out at tradinganalysis.com.